Hey everyone, Eric Broome here at Regal Roofing and Restoration. I wanted to take a minute to talk about the importance of having a qualified inspector on your roof when it comes to having an inspection done. If you look on our website or if you look at our Facebook post, you'll notice that we mention HAAG Engineering Certified. And it occurred to me that most of you probably have no idea what that means. Understand? So HAAG Engineering, who are they? What do they do? HAAG Engineering is an engineering firm, you got that. And they are one of the foremost experts in the field of identifying damage to roofing systems. Residential, commercial, shingles, tile, TPO, PVC, they understand all of it. They have a laboratory where they do testing. They can evaluate what different effects have on different kinds of roofing systems. So to further their science and what they do, they instituted a certified inspector program for residential and commercial roofs. So they will actually train a experienced roof inspector, whether a contractor or an insurance adjuster or anyone else, to go out and be able to identify what they've pinpointed as various forms of damage. And these classes that they teach, they're all at least 20 hours of classroom instruction, if you will. They have some information in there from their laboratory. They've got some videos of their experiments. To be able to sit for one of these courses, you must have been on at least 100 roof inspections for whichever kind it is, residential or commercial. So you already have an experienced inspector walking into the classroom. There is also an exam, and yes, it is open book, 100 questions, but the book is this thick. It's over an inch. It's a pretty big book. If you don't go into that exam knowing a pretty good idea of what these different things are that are on the test, you don't even know what chapter to flip to. So you've got to come out of that course with a strong knowledge of what different forces, wind, hail, lightning, mechanical damage, all these things do to shingles and wood shakes and EPDM rubber roofs, things like that. So how do you know that you have a HAAG Engineering certified inspector? Well, let me show you. First thing they do is they give you an ID card. Now, if you notice, I've got an older one here. This one expired in 2019. So they send a new one after the annual renewal is done. Okay, so if they have the ID and it's up to date, then you know. There is another way, and this is great. So if you look at my business card, you can see on here, check my good standing at HAAGcertifiedinspector.com. And I hope the editor for my video can flip that around for you, or at least put it down at the bottom. HAAG Certified Inspector. If you type in my ID number, 201404107, then it will show you my picture and tell you what my certification active dates are. So that tells you as a homeowner, as a property owner, that the inspector that's at your property is knowledgeable, qualified, and stays up to date on all of their certifications. So you know that they're qualified to do it. And not everyone has this certification. So make sure, whether it's HAAG Engineering or one of the other few out there, but make sure that your inspector, when he gets on the roof, knows what he's talking about and can prove it. Experience in the industry does not necessarily mean, just because you're a good roofer doesn't mean that you can identify all the different types of storm damage properly. So take a look at that, take a look at the website, and y'all have a wonderful day. Good luck.